Hey everybody, this is Scott from HBR Product Reviews, and today we're looking at the Spin Master Chess Teachers strategy board game for beginners. Now, if you've ever wanted to get into chess or you have a child that wants to, this is the product for you, and I'll tell you why. Before we get into that though, here's what you get. You get the board, you get the white pieces and the black pieces, and an instruction manual that will help you set it up correctly, along with how to play correctly. Now, the main thing that sets this apart from any other chess game is that on the back of each piece, there are instructions on how many spaces and in what direction that piece can go, which, as most chess players know, is the hardest part about playing chess when you're first starting out. So this will alleviate that clear as day, and you can start playing almost immediately. I have a 6-year-old son at home who, because of this game, is now into chess. And it helps me as well, just to remind myself what each piece can do. And because of the material that it's made of, this is easy to take on trips. You don't have to worry about expensive pieces being broken or lost. There's simply no reason to not get this if you're new to the game of chess or you have somebody you know that wants to get into chess. So for me, this is an easy 2 thumbs up. I highly, highly, highly recommend this.